I hope y'all can see in here. It's kind of dark, but in the back corner back there, I got my sleeping bag. I got a flashlight right there. A couple of My Pillow travel pillows. No endorsement, I just like them. For mattresses, I've got a wider, probably 2.5 inch thick camper mattress under here, and then a narrow one on top of it just for the extra cushion. This is my back door that takes the place of my tailgate. There'll be more on that in a little while. Once the door is on, these little rubber stoppers right here, they fit right in here, and any play that would be behind this is taken up so we don't have any rattles. Right here I've got 3 different ways to lock the main door here once the door is closed. The old vice grips clamps down on this and the latch at the same time, and then that locks it. As you can see, this tab is drilled and tapped, and I can run this screw in through the latch in this at the same time and it's locked. Or this little pin right here I can slide in there, and it's not as secure, but you'll be woke up before somebody gets in on you. I got a couple of knives my buddy made, Mike, over at Fat Doggy Knives, in there for protection along with other things. I got my Garmin InReach Explorer. It has a SOS tab right here, and if you hit that with this thing powered on, somebody's going to contact you, and if you're not able to get in contact back with them, somebody's coming to where this thing's at to check on you. And you got something to wipe hands with or wash off with at nighttime after you eat or before you go to bed or whatever. I got my little O2 cool fan. If it's already cool and I just want a little breeze, that works. But if it's not already cool, then I've got my 5,000 BTU air conditioner, and then the Predator 2,000 watt inverter generator to power that thing with. And I'm gonna set that up and let y'all see what it looks like. Now, I got this idea from Keith G, another YouTuber. Seems to hang out a lot around North Carolina, Linville, that area of North Carolina. And he did his a little different. I think his door opens to the side, where mine got a couple of slide locks on the inside. And then this just slides down, that way you're supporting. You can crawl out on this over and over and it's not going to hurt the hinge. I've also got a little piece of carpet that goes up under this to actually get it a little more level, but either way it's fine. And we're back. This thing's been running for about 15 minutes. You crack this thing, there's not a lot of light in there. As you can see, it's down to 64 degrees already. So you get the idea, there's good sleeping in there. Y'all, I just want to show you this door. It's very easy to slide in and out of. Plenty wide. Plenty of room. I got a spot right here you can take your shoes off, not get them on your mattress. Set your shoes off to the side right here, over here in front of the air conditioner. Lots of room, lots of room. Very easy access and exit. That's it.